Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Next.js in your PC. For this, you have to download Node.js at first. So just go for the Node.js. Here you can see the first link, node.js. Just click here and get Node.js here. You just click here and then go for the .msi version. Here you can see, just click here and it will actually start downloading. I already have downloaded it and I have installed it. So you just have to actually install it like some other application in your PC. And after the installation, you have to go for the CMD and make sure you have set environment variable. Let me show you how. You just have to actually type here environment and you will find something like this. Just click here, then go for the environment variables, then go for the path under system variables. Click here, edit, and here you can see I have Node.js here. So if you don't have this, what you have to do, you have to actually add it manually. How? Let's say you installed your Node.js in C drive. So just go to the C drive and then go to the program files and you will find here Node.js. Here you can see. Just click here the address bar and just copy the path. Okay, just copy it and go here. Just click here new and add it. Here you can see this is how actually you can add it. I already have this, so I'm going to delete this and then just you have to click OK, and then OK. And now I want to show you that I have Node.js. So I will say here node hyphen version. Or I will say hyphen version, right? Yeah. And here you can see my currently Node.js version is 22.19.0. So now I have Node.js, right? So now I need to actually create the Next.js. So what I have to do, I have to go to the folder. Actually, I want to create the project. Let's say I want to go to the D drive and here actually I want to create a project. And let's say I will say here that Next.js project and go inside it and open the terminal here. So what you have to do, you have to right click on it and click here open terminal, or maybe you can click here in the address bar and type here CMD, press enter from your keyboard. Here you can see we are in Next.js project and here we have to actually write a command and that is npx. Now we'll say here create hyphen app, but before that you have to say that next, then hyphen app, then app name, let's say test Next.js. Okay, hit enter from your keyboard and here you can see to proceed you just have to press Y from your keyboard and hit enter. Could you like to use TypeScript? You may say here yes. Yes. Okay, hit enter. And which okay, so we say here none. Listen, would you like to use no? Do you like your code inside a directory? Yes. Would you like to use app router? You can say yes. You can say yes. Would you like to use customize the import alias? I will say yes. Okay, so it's installing. Here you can see installing dependencies. So we have to wait for some times. Okay, fine. Now here you can see everything is done here. Now we have to actually say here dir and here you can see we have test Next.js. We just have to go there cd test Next.js and now we are in this folder. So let's go check it and here you can see we have this project. So this is how you can actually do this. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.